Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet the prerequisites. You need affiliate or partner status and channel points enabled in the Creator dashboard. Once confirmed, open Creator dashboard, go to Viewer Rewards, then Channel Points to enter the setup area. Make sure you have a clear redeem concept, a 112x112 PNG icon, and initial cost and cooldown numbers ready. You want to move fast into creation. Don't get stuck on perfect art. Use placeholders and refine later. Now create a custom redeem, click Add Custom Reward, type a clear title and a concise prompt explaining the effect. Set the point cost based on frequency you want it redeemed. Lower cost means more redemptions. Upload your 112x112 icon, choose a cooldown and per stream limit so the redeem doesn't spam the channel. Once done, select whether it requires user input or is subscriber only. These choices control viewer interaction and workload. Balance fun versus moderation. Finish by testing. Redeem using a secondary account or ask a mod to trigger it so you can confirm the flow. Once live, monitor the dashboard analytics and adjust cost or cooldown if you get too many or too few redemptions. If something fails, toggle the reward off and back on, reupload the icon, and verify your channel roles and permissions. Bots and extensions need proper access. If errors persist, remove custom text or inputs to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.